We are about to launch this product. Many Kenyans are waiting for it. Many Kenyans out there have been, some of them have been closed out of the financial circle, and tomorrow is their day. So I want to appeal to all the hustlers, those who hustle, they do many kind of jobs, they work hard, they toil, they wake up in the morning, sometimes they suffer because of access to affordable credit. Tomorrow is their day. So government has done its part, the stakeholders have done their part, and this evening or this afternoon, the presidents of the Chamber of Commerce and all business associations have also seen the Chuakali Association Managing Director here in the group. It means the kind of acceptance that this product is bringing. So for me, I am so happy that this is now coming to reality.